Hey everybody, I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. It is so pretty here in North Mississippi. I am at the regular Goodwill in Hernando. We're gonna go in and see what we can find to resell. Looks like they have a lot of furniture here today. This piece is sold. Looks like it has a really bad paint job on it, so I'm sure they'll be redoing it. This piece looks like something that went over a desk. What's this? Looks like a reindeer. It's heavy too. It's $3.99. That is, y'all, this is a pewter reindeer that somebody covered in burlap. What is wrong with people? That's a shame. Let's see what's in this bin. Oh, look how cute these chairs are. They probably came with a table. I just bought a chair for Ren's room. So cute and perfect. Ooh, the spindles on this coat rack. It's $10. This would be great to bring to estate sales. It's $10 as well. I have some blue pillows. These probably came off a sofa set. This looks like something somebody made. Look at these oval spindles. Y'all see that? That's interesting. These are $4.99. They must be some kind of sewing thing. Greenery. Let's come and look at this piece over here. It's $3.99. Boxwood. This is a little rusty. I like that. This would look great. You could leave it as is, but I would paint it white, but leave the rust. I think for $3.99, I'm gonna grab this. It has the rock in there. Very pretty. Oh, this is one of those pumpkin shaped jars. It's $4.99. I just passed these mice. They are in the wrong section. They're very old. They have lots of crazy and unfortunately some chips on them. They're so pretty. If they wouldn't have chips, I would definitely get them. They're $1.99 each. Some pins that they just put out. So it's a candle, and then it has a little tea light inside. That's interesting. And then there's another one right here. I do like the dry leaf pattern on it. They're $2.99 each. They look really pretty around fall time. I guess it's so the big candle never melts and you always have it as decor. And you just light the little one. I do not know. Let's see what this is. I want to see this cat down here. Everything's breakable. Oh, these are cute. Little fancy candlesticks. It says handcrafted in Thailand. There's two of them. They're $1.99. Little tabby cat. I don't know what it's made out of. It's $1.99. I like the look of her. Kind of reminds me of our cat Maxine. I'm gonna put her in my cart and think about it. I guess I should check out these candlesticks. I'm gonna Google in some. They're very pretty. Alright, let's check the basket aisle. See if there's anything that we just cannot live without. I see a lot of smaller baskets. I have this huge one right here. It's really cute. Alright, I don't see anything that I need. Let's scan the Christmas section. There's a chicken in the Christmas section. Have some dish sets. And lots of figurines. Small snowman. Oh, look at these cups, how cute. These are really pretty. They're 99 cents each. Looks like they have about 6 of them. This is their little pink spring end cap, and it is very empty. Not too much today. That's adorable. This little, can't open it, but it's like a little tiny wooden jewelry box. I wonder if somebody made it. It has a signature on the bottom. It's 99 cents. Little cookie. Oh, it's a candle. It's a candle. Lots of dolls. Let's have lots of dolls here. Ooh, look at this vintage chicken. Is that a crack though? I love the look of these. This one does not have a crack and it's $1.99. So I might get him. I don't know what y'all think about this. And then we got some glossy white parrots. Oh, I really wish this one wasn't cracked. I like the two of them together. Oh, it's kind of fancy. I like it, y'all. I've really, if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been loving the glossy white stuff. I think I'm gonna get it. Look how pretty that is. Can you imagine it on a stack of books? Some very dark books. It's a swan, I think. I wish they had some glossy white swans. Well, here we go, but that's not exactly what I was talking about. Oh, here's some that I might be interested in. This is a planter. His neck has been broken. Oh, that's unfortunate because this piece is so pretty. It's definitely old. It's crazing. It's $4.99. Hope somebody else rescues it. Now, if you turn it this way, nothing's cracked on this side. Oh, darn. Okay, the unicorns are still here too. So I'm gonna pass on all this stuff, but I'm gonna get the parrots and I'm gonna get the chicken. I think I'm gonna leave the chicken because they look good together and somebody that doesn't care about the crack can get both of them. So I'm just gonna get these. Here's the wood section. This little mug holder. It's $1.99. Little hand-painted little hand-painted towel piece. I think I'm gonna leave that here. It is 99 cents. What did I drop? Luckily it's the wood out. Okay, I dropped a little cow. Oh, look at him. How cute. Somebody put some little fabric patches. This wood bowl is $3.99. Looks like somebody had it hanging on the wall. Oh, look, here's a breadboard with a J on it. I like the size of this one. It's $3.99. It was originally from Hobby Lobby for $13. Some little hangers. Ooh. Oh, I love this. It's signed Valerie. How cute is that? It's $1.99. Folk art applique from Springsdale, Arkansas. We're definitely getting this. Let's see if there's anything else. What is this? Is that for thread? This is the metal section. I kind of looked through it quickly because my phone's about to die, so I got to finish up this video. But look what I found. This brass corbel bookend. Can y'all just imagine this with a stack of books? I wish there was 10 of them. I love this so much. It's gonna be a hard decision if I should keep this or sell it. Oh my gosh, I've never seen one like this. I love it. Okay, like I said, my phone's about to die, so I gotta go. I did put one of the birds back because on closer inspection I realized it was chipped really bad. So I'm just gonna have one of these. I think I'm gonna keep the cat because he's just really cute and primitive looking. So this is everything that I am getting on this thrifting trip to the Goodwill. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all see anything else y'all think I should, oh my gosh, look at this family with the pig. That's definitely an older one. Look at all the dust. If y'all see anything I should have got, y'all leave a comment below, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure.